Hey guys, welcome to Easy Academy. Today we're going to be learning about how to find the percentile of a certain data point and vice versa. So how exactly do we find the percentile of a certain data point? Well, we first have to convert that data point into a z-score through this formula over here, and then we use this chart over here to determine what percentile that z-score is. So let's take this example right here. Let's say the mean of a distribution is 10, the standard deviation is 2. Find out what percentile is 13. So 13 here is our data point. We're trying to find out what percentile 13 is. So let's plug in into our equation and find the z-score. So we can see that z is equal to 13 minus the mean of 10 over the standard deviation of 2. So this can be simplified down to 1.5. So the z-score would be 1.5. Next, we look at this chart over here and we find out what percentile that z-score is. So if we see 1.5 right here, it's 1.50. So the percentile is going to be 0.9332 or the 93rd.32 percentile. Alright, so now let's figure out how to find the data point of a certain percentile of a distribution. So for example, if I want to find the 20th percentile of a normal distribution with a mean of 15 and a standard deviation of 3, I'd be trying to figure out, if this was a distribution right here, what data point was at around this value right here. So for this, you need a graphing calculator, and for this video, I'm going to be using a TI-84, and you essentially want to find the second key and the vars key for the TI-84, and you want to find the inverse norm function after that. And after you click enter on the inverse norm function, it'll give you 3 parameters to enter in: the area, the mean, and the standard deviation. So for the area, you want to enter in whatever percentile you have into that as a decimal. So if you want to find out the 20th percentile for the area, you would enter in 0.2. If it was the 85th percentile, you'd enter in 0.85. And for the mean and standard deviation, it's just given. You just enter in 15 and 3. So on your calculator, it should look something like this: the inverse norm of 0.2, 15, and 3. And if you click enter, it should come out to something about 12.475. So the data point at the 20th percentile of this distribution right here would be around 12.475.
I tried so hard and got so